Oh! Hey! Okay, slow it down there. That was going too fast. Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan, this is Roadmasters. Hope you guys are having a great day today because I'm super excited because we got something very special. I got a new vacuum sent by Golongele. Yeah, that's how I say it, Golongele. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and check it out. It's the HB-1002, and I'm gonna do the unboxing on this hover scooter thing. Alright, hold on 1 second. Oh, there it is. Here's the Golongele HB-1002. I'll get you guys up close here. You guys see that? Do a quick spin around here. Nothing too crazy, but I do like it's a colorful box. Always time I'm doing this, I got two cameras rolling. So I got the up front shot over there, and I got the main shot over here. So hopefully this turns out good. First time someone's done a robot vacuum review on a hoverboard. Get this guy opened up. Hope I don't drop this thing. Do you guys see everything? Alright, let's go. Okay, so the first thing we have is a cardboard flappy thing. As always, I get a cool hat. Yeah, I know that joke's getting old. Next, we have some instructions. Give you guys up close on instructions here. Plasticky stuff. Very, very nice. Check out the instruction manual. Gets you a lot of important information. So if you're new about robot vacuums, I highly recommend you guys read that. We got some foamy stuff. Makes a nice frisbee. And look at this, guys. We got a bunch of side brushes. I believe this is a dual side brush system. Look how long these are. These are very long, so it should be able to grab the dirt debris from your baseboards. Very cool. I have covered several models with the spot clean function, and with the Golongele it spirals out, then it rotates in the opposite direction and spirals back in. This is a very similar pattern to like the Roombas, but with like the Roblox it does a short perimeter sweep, creates a square, then it fills in that square with a back and forth clean pattern. So whatever the clean pattern may be for the spot clean mode, one thing I do look for is the side brushes, how fast they spin, do they scatter the dirt and debris around on smooth surfaces. So with the Golongele, the side brushes did a good job and they didn't scatter too much of the dirt and debris. I have used a lot of advanced vacuums, LiDAR-based, vacuums, camera-based, gyro-based, and also random navigation. I have found that gyro-based navigation does well in a larger area with minimal furniture. Now, one thing to note is this cheaper vacuum does have different cleaning patterns. You can do an edge mode, like demonstrated here. You also have a back and forth auto mode. I did try this on different types of flooring, tile, hardwood floors, carpeting, high profile carpet, and the best performance on smooth flooring like this, hardwood floors. It can do tiles as well, and I did notice it picked up the fine dust and dirt and debris. Now for larger pieces like these beads, did struggle with, did require multiple passes before it was able to get into its dustbin. Okay, so here's the results of all the testing I did. I did an area clean, which I'll show later in this video, that perimeter sweep, and also spot clean mode. And you can see it can pick up large bits and pieces, but just allow the robot to run multiple passes because sometimes the suction only port will miss it on the first pass. Whoa, slow it down. Hey guys, how's it going? Make sure you, like this video. And if you got a product, I'll put the link of my business email right down below. I can review the product for you. Alright, let's go ahead and get this Golongele product review out of the way. Watch this, guys. Look at the skills. I didn't hit anything. You have saw nothing. So next we got the remote control. It's very nice. You got your directional control pad right here. Play, pause. You also have the return to your home. Also, you can do an edge clean and change it to the powerful mode, which is 1400 pascals. Sweet. Let's keep on going. Next, we got the robot. Check this out, folks. The HB-1002, there's actually two models, the smaller version, and this is the larger version. This guy actually has the auto recharge and resume, also has gyro-based control. Decent packaging, there's a bunch of plastic wrap on this. And it tells me to remove the tape before use. So we got some bumper protectors on either side. This plastic wrap off. Wow, that's definitely a really cool sound. I like that. Okay, here's the HB-1002. And it looks like I just pressed down for the bin. Okay, so I just needed to apply a little bit more pressure down on the lid and it just springs up, which is a nice little touch. So the dustbin itself looks very small. I believe it's like 150, maybe 200 milliliters. It can hold worth of dust. Also, it has two-stage filter system. So this is the preliminary filter, and then in the back there is the primary filter, which they say is a HEPA-rated filter system. So removing the filters is fairly easy. You could probably wash the preliminary filter, but not the primary HEPA filter I have here. And you can also wash the dustbin. So it does make cleaning fairly easy. I do like it has a little handle to help carry your dustbin to the trash can. Okay, so once you got everything cleaned out, just put the dustbin back in and close your lid. Here at Robot Masters, I do a lot of head-to-head challenges, obstacle courses, a lot of crazy challenges with robot vacuums, and I've just been reached out by guineapig.com, and we got this new robot vacuum. This robot vacuum does require some pushing and petting before it gets going, but once it gets going, it does a really good job cleaning. With its advanced stereo camera system and its sniff-to-food technology, the guinea pig can make quick work of any type of food you put down, whether it be carrots, Cheetos. The company says they offer different varieties, different sizes and colors, so check them out, see which is right for you. And yes, they do have an auto recharge capabilities. All you gotta do is just stick them in the corner and hand feed them food, and occasional petting is required, so they're happy. Alright, let's see how well this Golongele stacks up to the guinea pig vac. My trusty scale out, and with all my tests, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out the dry weight at the dustbin. Now, for my testing, I actually run the robot vacuum a couple times just to kind of break in the filters and motors so we get a more accurate reading. Now, one thing to remember is I do try to use different types of material. I use powder, larger chunks like Skittles, broken up pieces of candy, just to kind of simulate what you would find in an environment. Okay, let's go and put the glass container on, zero out the weight, and we'll put about 1 ounce of material. Despite this guy being less than $120, it does have gyro navigation, so you can see that back and forth cleaning pattern. Now, with this rubber mat, it actually thought it was on a cliff, so it tried to back up, but eventually it figured out where it's at, was able to continue with the cleaning process. Now let's see how well the Golongele does with these types of chair legs. It does a fair job of trying to navigate around them. You notice it kind of does a back and forth cleaning pattern, and when it detects an object, it tries to go around that object, so it does kind of figure out where it's at. If you want more advanced navigation, I do recommend camera-based navigation or LiDAR. With gyro navigation, if you physically pick up the robot or if it loses tracks, sometimes it can mess up the cleaning algorithms, but it did a decent job, and I think with this test, the rubber mat kind of confused it, but it was able to cover the entire room. So you may notice towards the end the robot does a diagonal cleaning pattern. Well, there's no way for the robot to orientate itself within the room. So for the best performance, I recommend clearing out most of the area. Okay, looks like the robot's almost done. The instructions recommend having a clear area in front of the charger. Maybe put the charger in the open area. Now, if you have something in front of the charger, the robot may struggle to try to find its charging base, but in an open area, the robot had no problems finding its charging base. The charging takes about 4 hours and you get about 80 minutes of runtime. Wow, what a mess. I wonder who's gonna clean this up. Maybe the roadblock? Maybe I should get the S6 Max V and can just suck up all this junk. Oh, hey, Robot. I know you're the Sponge Robot here. Hey, you mind cleaning this up?
Going back to the dock.
Hey, man. I thought you could clean this up. All you have to do is just vacuum it up. It's real simple. Okay. What? Come on, man. I thought we were friends. Don't be like that.
Bite my shiny metal ass.
It doesn't look so shiny to me.
Shinier than yours, meatbag.
So in the back, it looks like it does have a mopping system. It's just a pad that you wet, and it will help get a small area. You also can do dry mopping with this. Notice this is something very unique. I've never had a robot vacuum that has a suction only port, so I'd definitely try that out. So it's probably designed for hardwood floors or smooth surfaces, or maybe low profile carpet. So after running this robot for about 20 minutes in this area, I did notice that there's still a lot of chunks left behind. So I suspect that the suction only port's designed for smaller dirt and debris, maybe not larger pieces. But you can see in the dustbin it did pick up some of the pieces of candy and beads. So it's a two-step process to empty out the dustbin. You remove the top lid and then you gotta remove the preliminary filter. As you can see that there is some beads in there and some powder. But I kind of wish that there was an easier way to empty out the dustbin if you're in a hurry. But let's see how much the dirt and debris picked up. Looks like they picked up 0.47 ounces, so about 47%. Here's your dual side brushes right here. Installing this dual side brushes couldn't be easier. Just line them up and press down and they snap right in. There's no tools required and there's no left or right orientation. Here, front wheel caster, you also have your charging contacts and you got your self-adjusting wheels. Alright, so that's basically it. Very unique. And it looks like you just put the power adapter right here, so you can't wrap the cord around. Okay, so we got a nice little cleaning brush. Probably comb your hair, do your eyelashes, whatever. The extra filter, nice. You got extra cleaning cloth, which is washable. And here's your power adapter. Hold on 1 second. Hey, Huddy, there's a mess in the living room. Don't mind if you clean that up? Alright, thanks. Awesome. Alright, I gotta go hang out with my friends. Hey guys, so wow, you guys are still here? Let's back up for a second. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like. I do cover a lot of videos on this channel. You can see I have tons of different products I cover. Also, I covered the Timmy, which is like a basic Alexa on wheels, but it's a really cool robot. And I covered the Golongele, which is also a cool robot. It's a cheaper robot vacuum at 120 bucks with gyro navigation. Can't really beat it for the price. Keep in mind it won't compete with the more expensive robots, but this is not what this guy's for. This guy's for someone that's wanting an easy to use, cheap robot vacuum. Also, this guy's designed for smaller areas like a one-bedroom apartment or a dormitory, but I think for the price, it's not a bad option. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. You guys are safe out there, and I really do enjoy doing these videos for you. And if you have any questions about robot vacuums, put the comments down below because I do answer them. Alright, I gotta go. See ya.